Hello everyone, this is Ed Webmont, and today we'll speak about technical SEO. Have you ever wondered why your website isn't showing up on Google? Even though your content is great, the problem might not be your content, but your technical SEO. Today I'll explain what technical SEO is, why it matters, and what you can do to improve it, in clear, simple language. Technical SEO is a process of improving your website so search engines can crawl, index, and rank it more easily. It's not about writing blogs or keywords, it's about how your website works under the hood, like speed, structure, mobile friendliness, and security. Let's break technical SEO into 5 main parts. First, website speed. A slow website can hurt your rankings. According to Google, if a page takes more than 3 seconds to load, over 50% of users leave. Example, if your site takes 6 seconds to load, that's like losing half of your customers before they even see your page. Second, mobile optimization. Today, over 80% of searches happen on smartphones. Your site must work perfectly on mobile. Fast loading, easy to navigate, and no pinching to zoom. Third, site structure and navigation. Google needs a clean structure. To understand your website, that means simple URLs, a logical menu, and a sitemap. Interesting fact, websites with organized structure and crawl 30% faster, according to SEMrush, making them easy to rank. Fourth, HTTPS and website security. Google ranks secure websites higher. If your site isn't using HTTPS, it's time to upgrade, now. Technical errors. Things like broken links, duplicate pages, or blocked content confuse search engines. A regular technical audit can help you catch these problems early. Let me give you a quick example. A retail brand updated their site in early 2025, but they forgot to submit a sitemap and had slow mobile loading. Their traffic dropped by 27%. After a technical SEO audit, they fixed errors, optimized mobile speed, and added structured data. In just 3 months, their organic traffic rose by 44%. To sum up, technical SEO helps Google find and understand your site. It improves speed, structure, mobile experience, and security. And the last one, it directly impacts your ranking, traffic, and conversion rate. Thanks for watching. Follow our LinkedIn, our YouTube, and our site.